Stop by and take a look at the 2020 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, navigation system, leather trim seats, cruise control, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, rear view camera. Come take a test drive today.